Hello guys, welcome to Tech Kizak's channel, and in today's episode we're gonna learn the following topics and you can find the timestamp in the description box. So let's start. Hello guys, welcome to Excel series. Today we will learn about text wrap. Is your text filling out of cell? Let's fix it with one click. So I have some items here and I have the description and it's a bit long and then it is spilling out of the cell. It doesn't look nice and professional. Let's fix this with one click. We need to select our data and then go to home tab, and here in the alignment group you have this option. This is a wrap text. This will wrap the extra long text into multiple lines so that you can see it all. Let's click on this and see what happens. So here you can see it put all the text into multiple lines so you can see it clearly. So this is great for long labels, notes or comments, and column titles. It keeps all your content inside the cell by making it appear on multiple lines. So wrap text is perfect when you don't want to widen the column but still want everything inside. So hopefully you have learned something new today. If you like this video, press the like button and follow for more videos. And if you want more videos related to Excel, please follow TechieZach's channel. Hello guys, welcome to Excel series. Today we will learn about number formats, currency, percent, and comma. So for example, I have this amount here. I can add currency sign to it. For example, a dollar or a pound or your local sign and 2 decimal points. This is perfect for prices and income data. So let's do this by selecting this data, and under the home tab go to number formats, and here we can select currency. It added a pound sign here and 2 decimal points, and we can remove the decimal points from here by pressing decrease decimal points, or if you want you can put it back. Then we have some growth rates. We can convert them into percentage instantly by selecting this data and then go to number formats again. Then here we can select the percent. This will convert this data into percentage, and we can even decrease the decimal point like this. And we have some total sales here. We can put comma in there to separate the thousand and hundred. So we need to select our data, and then here we have comma style. If we put this will put a comma, and we can decrease the decimal point. So use these tricks to make financial or statistical data easier to read at a glance. Hopefully you understand number formats today. If you like this video, press the like button and follow for more videos like this. Hello guys, welcome to Excel series. You want your Excel to look clean and professional? Let's talk about borders today. Under the home tab in the font group, you have border icons square with 4 mini boxes. If you click on this, you will see options like bottom border, top border, left border, thick outside border, and many more. And then you also have options to draw borders, and then you have more of border options where you can create your own border styles. For example, I want to guide viewers' eye to total sales. So let's do the total sales by pressing all equal. Now we have total sales. I want to guide my viewers' eye to focus on the amount of total sales. So let's create a border. So go to border option, and you can create thick outside border or you can create all borders. So let's create thick outside border. So as you can see, it created a thick outside border. And I also want to create a border on my headers. I will go here and select thick outside border. Now as you can see, I have border here and here. One more better option to make viewer eye friendly is I will fill a color here. So let's fill your favorite color or your brand color. So go to color fill option, and here you can fill the color. Then in my sales, I can fill a color as well. Let's fill it green. Now we have some more options. For example, we also have erase border option. We also have some line color option. We can draw a line. For example, I want to draw a red line. I can even change the line style. So I will draw a line like this. So for example, I want to draw a line here like this to show that these sales are not good. And I can also draw red line this on all sides by using this. And then I can change the color from here, any color, and then change the line style from here. Let's select to normal one and color to normal one as well. Now we have one more option, which is erase borders. This will erase the borders where you want to erase it. For example, I want to erase this red line, and then let's go back here and select thick borders and so this, now it's back. So hopefully you understand how borders help you to organize data and guide your viewers' eye, especially in reports. So hopefully you learned something new about borders. Press the like button and follow for more videos like this. Hello guys, are you new to Excel? Welcome to Excel series. Do you want your Excel to color code itself automatically based on the rules you will create? So for example, I have this student data and I want to highlight the scores greater than 85, and I also want some bar here to show the average scores. First of all, let's do the green highlight for the score greater than 85. So I will select my scores where I want to apply this rule. So select the data and then go to conditional formatting. Here you can select highlights and rules. So here we will select greater than. You can also select less than, between, equal to, and other options as well. So first we will learn about greater than option. So here we will set the scores. I will select the scores as 85, and then I can select the color as there is no color here. I want it, so I will go to customized format, and here I will select this green color and then select OK. Now here you can see it highlighted all the scores scores greater than 85. I didn't have to do this manually. I did everything just by creating one rule. Now I want to create some average bars here. So we will select our average scores and then go to conditional formatting, and then we can go to data bars. And here we have different options. So we have green data bars, we have blue, and then we also have solid, and we can even create our own data bar. So for now, I will select gradient blue data bar to showcase the average score growth. There are so many other options to explore. In my next video, we will explore other. Hello guys, are you new to Excel? Welcome to Excel series. Today we are learning about conditional formatting. So in my previous video, I have told you how to add green fill to the scores by just creating one rule. So now I want to add red fill to the scores less than 65. So let's select our scores data and then go to conditional formatting. Previously we had used greater than, now we will use less than. I can create a rule of the scores. So I want less than 65 score to be red. So let's go to customized format, and here you can select red color. I want light red color. So what we do is we click more colors, and here I can select the light color. It will show new and current color here. So this red color is better, and then I will select OK. Now we have this red color. We select OK, and then select OK here. It fills this red color here. And I also wanted the scores between 65 and 85, which means scores greater than 65 or less than 85 be yellow. So what we do is we will create one more rule going over here, and then we will use between now. So here I will put 65 and here I will put 85, and I want yellow color in that. I want light yellow color, so I will select yellow again, but I don't like this color, and then I will go to more colors, and here I will select light yellow color and then select OK. Now we have light yellow color here. If you select OK and then OK here again, it will fill the light yellow color for me. So hopefully you understand basic options of greater than, equal to, or less than, or in between rules. In our next video, we will learn about all the other options. If you like this video, press the like button and follow for more videos like this. Hello guys, are you new to Excel? Welcome to Excel series. Today we will learn about conditional formatting. As in my previous video, I have told you about conditional formatting basic option like greater than, less than, equal to, or in between. Let's learn about more options today. For example, let's select this data and go over here and highlight cell rules. You will see text that contain. It means it will highlight the cell which will contain the text you will assign. So for example, student 1. So this will highlight the text, highlight the cells that contain this text. For example, student 1, and then you can change color. For now, we will select light red fill and then select OK. As you can see here, it highlighted student 1, and student 10 as well, because it contains student 1 this text. And then also we have more option. Let's select this date section and go to conditional formatting, and here we have filter as well, like a date occurring. So for example, yesterday or tomorrow. Let's select next week and then select OK. Here you can see it highlighted the next week red. We also have other rule, for example, duplicate value. To do this, let's select this data and then go to conditional formatting, and here you can see the highlight rule. Here you can see duplicate value, and let's change the color to red border and then select OK. Here you can see it changed the border of this to red. Let's manage this rule to change the color, the text containing first. So go here and go to manage rule, and here you can see the color containing student 1. Let's change this color going format. Here let's change it to purple or maybe even white and then select OK. So you can see the red border we have created for duplicate value and then select OK. So here you can see we can see the border. Here we can see the red border we have created for the duplicate values. So hopefully you understand the basic options of conditional formatting. If you like this video and you have learned something new, press the like button and follow for more videos like this. Hello guys, are you new to Excel? Welcome to Excel series. Today we are going to learn about conditional formatting. So I have some sales numbers. Now we'll set data by pressing Ctrl A, and I just want to select my data, so I will reset this one. Now I have selected my sales data, and then we will go to home tab, and here we have conditional formatting. Conditional formatting is very useful. It can help you do a lot of work very easily. So for example, I already showed you the highlight set rules in my previous videos. If you want to have a look at these videos, you can go to my profile and watch those videos. Now we are going to learn about top bottom rules. So first of all, I have top 10 item rules. So by using this rule, I can show the top 10 items. If we click on this silo clock will appear, and here you can change the number of items you want. For example, you can increase it or you can decrease it. And which color do you want? Is I want green color, and thus I want to show the top 10, and then I will select OK. Now here you can see it shows the top 10 sales. Again, we will select the data and we go to conditional formatting, and then we have bottom 10 items. So if we select this option, and you can change the color, you can even customize the color, but we will choose the light fill with dark red font and then select OK. Now here you can see these are the top 10 sales in the green and top lowest sales in the red. And then we also have options of top 10% and bottom 10%. And then we have above average and below average, and even you can create your own rules. So hopefully you understand the basic rules of conditional formatting of top 10 and bottom 10 items. items. If you like this video, click the like button and follow for more videos like this. Hello guys, all you need to Excel. Welcome to Excel series. As we are learning about conditional formatting, today we are going to learn about conditional formatting top bottom rules. As I have already told you about top 10 items and top bottom items, today we will learn about top 10% and bottom 10%. So now there is a great difference between top 10 items and top 10%. So top 10 item will highlight the top 10 values. On the other hand, top 10% will only highlight 10% of the data. So for example, I have 20 values here. So top 10 value will be 10 values. But if I do the top 10%, so it will be only 2 values. It means only 10% of the data I have. So there is a great difference between top 10% and top 10 items. So let's go to conditional formatting, and here let's do the top 10%. So as here, it only highlighted the top 10%. It only highlighted G values. So you can change your color and you can do the top 12, 13%, but I will only do top 10%, and then I will fill the color light red. Sorry, for the top 10%, I will select the green fill with the green font. And then we have bottom 10%. If we go here and we have bottom 10% and then fill this color obviously red and then select OK. And the other thing you can do is you can sort this data. You can sort largest to smallest like this, or you can custom sort as well. So here you can see we have top 10% and then we have bottom 10%. So hopefully you understand the difference between these rules of top 10 item and top 10%. As some beginners will get confused with these rules, hopefully you understand everything about it. If you like this video, press the like button and follow for more videos like this.